Let's talk about Egypt. Not just the land of pyramids, but a country now looking to the future. Egypt is going green, and not just in gardens. Think green energy, green cities, and, most importantly, green cars. For a nation long reliant on petrol, this is a massive shift. The change is visible. Egypt hosted COP27, and now words like sustainability and carbon footprint are everywhere. The government is pushing hard, realizing the smog over Cairo is more than just a filter for your photos. It's a real problem. The endless river of cars, trucks, and tuk-tuks is a major culprit. Enter the electric car, once a punchline, now a reality. The government is rolling out incentives, seeing EVs as key to a cleaner modern Egypt. Egypt stands at a crossroads, the familiar roar of petrol engines, or the silent hum of electric motors. The country is slowly choosing the second path. It's a journey just beginning, with excitement, challenges, and the potential to transform how Egyptians move. This is about trading in the old for the new, and it's happening right now. The electric revolution is quietly underway on the streets of Cairo and beyond. The question isn't if Egypt will go electric, but how fast. The future is humming, literally, and it's a story worth following. Egypt's going electric, but what are people actually driving? You can't just stick a battery in an old Peugeot. New, shiny cars are needed. Enter the global car industry, with China leading the charge. MG, BYD, and XPeng are now household names. These brands offer modern tech, stylish designs, and prices that don't require selling a pyramid. Think of it like the smartphone boom suddenly. There's choice and competition. The MG4, BYD Auto 3, and XPeng G6 are the new stars. Each brings something unique: affordability, style, or cutting-edge tech. This influx means EVs aren't just for the super rich, they're becoming an option for families and young professionals. Seeing these cars on Cairo's roads makes the electric dream real. The new kings of the ring road run on electricity. The reign of petrol engines is being challenged. It's not a distant dream anymore. Electric cars are here, and they're changing the game. The market is buzzing with excitement. The future of driving in Egypt is electric, and it's happening now. Let's zoom in on the MG4, the people's electric contender. MG's British roots now have strong Chinese backing, and the MG4 is their affordable EV weapon. It's a compact hatchback, perfect for Cairo's chaos. The big question range. The MG4 offers up to 450 kilometers on a single charge, enough for a Cairo-Alexandria trip and back. It's practical, not flashy, and that's exactly what many Egyptians want. The price, around 1.2 million Egyptian pounds. Not cheap, but competitive for a new EV. It puts electric dreams within reach for more people. The MG4 isn't trying to be a spaceship, it's a reliable, sensible car for the masses. It could tip the scales for thousands to make the switch. The MG4 is selling more than a car. It's selling the idea that electric is for everyone. It's a smart, accessible choice. The electric future isn't just for the elite anymore. The MG4 is leading the charge for the people, and that's a powerful shift. Next up, the BYD Auto 3, the stylish, family-friendly EV. BYD, a Chinese giant, started with batteries and now leads in EVs. The Auto 3 is a compact SUV offering more space for families and shopping sprees. Its dragon-face design stands out. Sleek lines, unique interior, and conversation-starting features. Underneath the style, it's solid and well-built, feeling premium for its price. The Auto 3 boasts a 480-kilometer range, giving drivers confidence for longer trips. It's smooth, quiet, and packed with tech for comfort and safety. The price starts at 1.5 million pounds, a step up, but you get more space and a global EV badge. It competes with traditional SUVs, but with electric flair. The Auto 3 is for families who want style without sacrificing practicality. It's a statement. Caring for the environment can look cool. The Auto 3 is redefining what an Egyptian family car can be. It's not just about going green, it's about going bold. And it's making waves on Egyptian roads. Meet the XPeng G6, the tech lover's dream on wheels. XPeng is all about futuristic tech and software, creating a digital driving experience. The G6 is a coupe-style SUV with a minimalist interior and a massive touchscreen that controls almost everything. It's packed with smart features, voice assistants, and over-the-air updates. Your car gets smarter over time. For Egypt's tech-savvy youth, this is a huge draw. The G6 boasts up to 755 km of range, Cairo to Luxor on a single charge. Fast charging means hundreds of kilometers added in minutes, All this tech comes at a price over £1.8 million, making it the priciest of the bunch. It's aimed at early adopters and tech enthusiasts. The G6 is a halo car, showing what's possible and pushing the market forward. It's not for everyone, but it's a glimpse of Egypt's electric future. The G6 is redefining expectations for what a car can be. The future of driving is here, and it's smarter than ever. Egypt's EV revolution just got a tech upgrade. Why are Egyptians considering EVs? It's not just about cool looks or big screens. The benefits are real. Zero tailpipe emissions mean cleaner air for Cairo. Imagine a city where you can actually see the sky. Running an EV is cheaper, electricity costs less than petrol, and prices are more stable. Charging at home overnight saves thousands of pounds a year. Maintenance is simpler. Fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no spark plugs. Fewer breakdowns mean fewer trips to the mechanic. Reliability is a huge plus in a country where car repairs can be a headache. The government is helping too. Tax breaks and incentives make EVs more affordable. Policies may change, but the direction is clear. Egypt wants more EVs on the road. It's about saving money, saving the planet, and getting a little help from above. The argument for EVs is compelling. Cleaner air, lower costs, and government support. It's a win-win-win. The electric switch is about more than just cars. It's about a better Egypt. The benefits are stacking up, and more people are starting to notice. If EVs are so great, why isn't every car in Egypt electric? The biggest hurdle is upfront cost. Over £1 million is still a lot for most families. Even with incentives, EVs are pricier than petrol cars. It's a chicken and egg problem. Prices drop with more buyers, but more buyers need lower prices. Resale value is another worry. New brands mean uncertainty about future worth. People are used to reliable brands like Toyota. With new EVs, there's hesitation. There's also a knowledge gap. Many still have questions and fears about EVs. Myths and misinformation slow adoption. Overcoming these barriers needs education and trust. The dream is there, but the reality is still catching up. The road to mass adoption is bumpy, but not impossible. The biggest practical challenge? Charging. Without enough public charging stations, range anxiety is real. Most current EV owners rely on home or work charging. Easy if you have a garage, impossible if you live in an apartment. The public charging network is growing, but it's still patchy. Companies are building chargers in malls and highways, but it's not enough. Planning trips around available chargers adds stress. Egypt needs a massive investment in charging infrastructure. Fast chargers everywhere, from city, streets to supermarkets. The government and private sector must work together to build this network. Until then, EVs are mostly for those with the right living situation. The hunt for juice is real, and it's a race Egypt needs to win. Charging must be as easy as finding a petrol station. That's the next big step for Egypt's electric future. So, where does Egypt stand? The electric car story is complex, full of ambition, challenges, and hope. The shift has started, and optimism is growing. This is about more than cars. It's about a cleaner, more independent Egypt. Cleaner air for millions, less reliance on imported fuel, and new jobs in green tech. The electric car is a symbol of a bigger transformation. The path forward needs everyone: government, car companies, and drivers. It won't happen overnight, but every new EV is a step forward. The story of electric cars in Egypt is a story of hope and progress. A country with an ancient past is building a sustainable future. The same ingenuity that built the pyramids can solve today's challenges. The road ahead is long, but the destination is clear: a greener, electric Egypt. The electric dream is alive on the banks of the Nile. The future is bright, and it's humming with possibility. Egypt's electric journey has only just begun.